If you want to turn your favorite photos into fun and animated stickers, here's how to create and use live stickers on your iPhone. First, open the Photos app and find a photo with a clear subject like a person, pet, or object. Next, touch and hold the subject until you see a glowing outline. After that, tap on Add Sticker from the menu that appears. Your new sticker is now saved, so you can use it anytime in messages, mail, and supported apps. And if you want to make it pop, just tap on Add Effect and choose Outline or Puffy to give it more style. And while texting, tap the emoji icon on your keyboard, then go to Stickers. After that, choose your custom sticker and drag it into the conversation, and that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.